Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mollie McCaw from Indigo Park. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the beak near the top. Let's start with the curve up and back down. Then underneath, let's curve it down to a point. Now from the sides, let's draw two angles going down. And then the same thing inside. And then add two curves, like this, for the tongue. And color the sections on top of the tongue in black. And that's it for the beak. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the curve up and back down on the top left, and the same on the right. And then curve it back in underneath. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw another curve at the top. And color this area in black. Now inside, let's draw another curve. And then an oval inside. And then color the eyes in black. Lastly, for the eyes, let's add the eyelashes. On the sides, let's draw two triangles going out like this. And then color them in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right. Now let's hop up from the bottom and let's start at the levels of the eyes and let's draw a curve going out. And then close off the bottom with a U-shaped curve like this. And then add one more curve inside. Now near the bottom, let's curve it back into the beak for the bottom of the face. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pattern on the cheeks. Let's draw two V-shapes on the left and two on the right. Next, we're going to hop up and we're going to finish drawing the hat. Across the top, let's draw a curve across. And then another curve on top. Now for the goggles, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then a curve across the top. Next, inside the goggles, let's draw another curve along the sides. Then a V-shape up from the middle. And color the triangle in black. Now top out, and for the sides of the hat, let's bring it out and curve it down. And then inside, we're going to draw two diagonal lines for the straps of the goggles. And then color these in black. Lastly, for the hat, let's draw 2 curves down on the bottom left and the bottom right. And then close it off at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a small square. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Under the head, let's draw a curve out and down, leaving a gap in the center for the top of the scarf. And then another curve underneath. Now top underneath the scarf and let's draw 2 angles down for the sides of the torso. And then a curve underneath. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw a line down the center. And then 2 circles on the left side. And that's it for the torso. Now let's start drawing the legs. From the sides, let's draw a curve down. And then a small curve in the center. Now underneath this line, let's draw a curve out to close off each leg. Next, underneath, let's draw 2 small lines down. And then close off the bottom with a curve. And add some striped lines inside. Now underneath, let's finish drawing the legs. We'll step in slightly and we're going to draw 2 angled lines down and out. And then add some curved stripes inside. And that's it for the legs. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. From the inside line, we're going to draw a wavy line out and down. And then a curve underneath. Now for the toenail, let's draw a curve down and back up. Now let's hop back in and let's draw the next toe by drawing a curve out. Then 2 curves for the toenail. Then we're going to hop back up underneath the leg and draw an angle up and curve it down. Now for the last toe, let's draw a curve going out and a nail at the end. And that's it for the feet. Now let's move back up and let's add the wings. Let's start by drawing the right wing. Next to the scarf, let's draw a wavy line up, like this. Then curve it in at the end. Now top underneath, next to the torso, and let's draw 3 bumps going up. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve going down and bring it back in. And then 2 more large curves to close off this part of the wing. And then hop inside and let's draw 1 more curve. Now let's move back in next to the body and let's draw another 3 curves. Then underneath, let's draw another set of curves underneath all the way back in. And that's it for the right wing. Now let's move over and let's draw the left side. Let's start under the scarf next to the torso and let's draw an angle down. Then let's curve it down towards the hip. And then curve it out and back in underneath. Now on top, let's draw another curve up and back down. And then another larger curve next to it. Now let's hop back in next to the scarf and let's draw a curve out and down. A curve going out. And then a small curve underneath. Now let's add another row of feathers on top. Let's draw 3 bumps like this. And that's it for the left wing. Now underneath, let's add the tail. Let's start underneath the wing and let's draw an angle out and curve it back in. And then a larger one underneath. And one more curve underneath to close off the tail. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the end of the scarf. Let's start on the top left next to the hat and let's draw a wavy line out. Then let's bring it down and curve it back in towards the wing. Now inside, let's draw another wavy line across the center all the way back in. And that's it for Mollie Macaw. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!